What's the meaning of bewildering? Bewildering. Bewildering.
Bewildering. Bewildering. The word bewildering refers to something that is confusing, perplexing, or disorienting. It is often used to describe a situation or experience that leaves one feeling uncertain or at a loss for what to do next. When something is bewildering, it can be difficult to make sense of what is happening and to understand what is expected of us. This feeling of bewilderment can be caused by a variety of factors such as complexity, ambiguity, or unfamiliarity. In order to overcome feelings of bewilderment, it is often necessary to seek out more information, clarify expectations, and take time to reflect on our experiences.